Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I would like to show you how to make delicious jackfruit pancake. I hope you will find it easy to make this wholesome breakfast recipe. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share as it will motivate me a lot. So without any further delay, let's begin. For this recipe, I'm gonna take 250 gram ripe jackfruit which are very sweet at this stage. You will find their color yellowish and exudes a pleasant fruity aroma when they are ripe. After removing the seed, I am gonna transfer the pulp to the blender and add 2 tablespoons sugar. Instead of sugar, you can use jaggery also. I am gonna add half cup milk as well and blend them together to a fine paste. The milk added will help it to blend smoothly. Now I have taken out the paste in a big bowl. I am gonna add the dry ingredients to it. For this, I am taking 1 cup all-purpose flour that is maida and 1 cup wheat flour that is atta, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. I am gonna sift it through together and mix it nice and proper with the help of a whisk. I will not mind taking my time to whisk it slowly and gently until it is mixed nicely. Now I will be adding 1/3 cup milk in parts for 3 times. If you remember, I have already added half cup milk. Here goes the second part. Time to time, keep checking the consistency of the batter. It has to be of medium thickness. Then I'm gonna add the remaining milk. The consistency of the batter is still little thick, so I'm gonna add little more milk, say 1 tablespoon, but not more than that. Now I'm getting the right consistency. Time to add 2 tablespoons cooking oil to help add moisture and richness to the pancake. I have taken extra virgin olive oil for this. You can add any refined oil of your choice or even melted butter. Now I'll be heating a normal cast iron dosa pan at medium heat. Let's oil the pan lightly with the help of a half-cut potato being mounted on a fork like this. I dare say everyone must be familiar with such desi jugaad or hack in our kitchen. When the smoke started to come out a little, I'm gonna set the gas at low flame and pour the batter at one point at the center. It will spread by itself eventually. Otherwise, you can also pour in outward circle like this, slowly in one direction for even distribution. This is it. Let's cover it and cook for 2 minutes at medium to low flame. Let me check now. I could see a good number of bubbles popping up on the top surface. At the same time, edges look dry. That is when we have to flip over. What a pretty sight with a perfect golden brown color crust. I am keeping the lids covered once again for 2 minutes so that the inside part and the other side are cooked properly. This is done. The same steps continues for rest of the batter. So friends, these are the 2 things that I have learned today and I would like to share it with you. Tip number 1, make sure you use same size cup or ladle if you are looking for equal size pancakes. I have used 1/3 size measuring cup for pouring purpose and it yield me 7 similar size pancakes. Tip number 2, after covering the lid every time, set the temperature at medium for 1 minute. After that, lower it to the minimum. This way, it will be easier for you to flip and without the cake batter being stick to the pan. I hope you will try making this nutritious breakfast recipe whenever you come across a ripe jackfruit, as they are antioxidants and known to be rich in potassium, iron, vitamins, fiber and whatnot. Plus, if you are following only natural sugar diet, then you should definitely go for it. You can totally skip the sugar or jaggery as they are laden with natural sugar. Finally, you can enjoy your pancake hot after dripping it with honey or any syrup of your choice and topping it with butter slices or dry fruits. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected. Thanks for supporting me. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.